Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am excited to share insights about an organization that has been at the forefront of transformative development in the Asia Pacific region, the Asian Development Bank. Hello, my name is Ecorys. Let's see what is Asian Development Bank, what are the procedures and guidelines, and how the organization formed. So, what is ADB? So, ADB was established in 1966, is a regional development bank dedicated to fostering economic and social progress in Asia and the Pacific. So, it's basically they provide financial like loans, grants, equity investment, then technical assistance to the member countries, and helping them undertake projects to contribute to poverty and sustainable economic growth. So, key points about the Asian Development Bank. So, ADB was established on December 1966. The headquarters is located in Manila, Philippines. At the time of establishment, only 31 members were there, and now 68 members, where 49 from Asia Pacific and 19 from outside. The mission of ADB to help its developing member countries reduce poverty and improve the quality of life for their people. ADB provides financial resources, policy advice, and technical assistance to support a wide range of development initiatives. And India became the member in 1966. So, what are the role and function of ADB? So, that provide financial support, as you already know, loan, grants, etc. Act as a catalyst for private investment by providing financial assistance, supports trade by providing finance, provide low interest loans to poor members through ADF. ADF means Asian Development Fund, support development projects and programs, regional corporations so that they can trade each other, infrastructure development, etc. So, let's see what are the organization structure of ADB. So, ADB has 68 shareholding members, organized and managed by the Board of Governors, which is the highest policy maker, comprises one representative from each member of the nation, meet formally once in a year, every ADB annual meeting. So, next come the Board of Directors. So, who elect the Board of Directors? The Board of Governors elect 12 members to form Board of Directors. Perform full-time duty at the headquarters. And what are the tasks they are doing? The directors supervise ADB's financial statements, then approve its administrative budget, and review and approve all policy documents and all loans, equity, and technical assistant operations. So, organization of ADB, last one is, the first is Board of Governors, then Board of Directors, and last one is management. The president heads a management team. It comprises 6 vice presidents. The task of the management is the team supervises the work of ADB's operational, administrative, and knowledge departments. Asian Development Bank ADB follows a set of robust procedures and guidelines to ensure effective and sustainable project development and implementation. Key aspect includes project identification and formulations, emphasizes on thorough feasibility study and risk assessment, appraisal and approval, rigorous evaluation of technical, financial and environmental aspects, procurement guidelines, promote fair competition, transparency and efficiency in procurement process, environmental and social safeguard, ensure projects minimize adverse impacts and promote sustainability. Gender equality and social inclusions, guidelines for mainstream gender considerations and inclusivity, financial management and risk mitigation, ensure responsible and effective use of project funds with strategies for risk mitigation, monitoring and evaluation like regular reviews to assess project performance and impact, knowledge sharing, capacity building, actively promote knowledge sharing and capacity building. So if you see, ADB has long recognized that cities need to large scale investment to develop and maintain infrastructure and services. So there is a report, an ADB report in 2017 that estimated Asia and the Pacific would need to invest 26.2 trillion during 2016 to 2030, or you can say 1.7 trillion per year for infrastructure that exclude the health and education, to maintain growth, eradicate poverty, respond to climate change. And the interesting fact is that about 70% of that investment would be in cities. But ADB's strategy 2030 identifies making cities more livable as one of its 7 operational priorities for achieving its vision of prosperous, inclusive, resilient and sustainable Asia and the Pacific. So if you see the ADB impact in 2022 from the ADB projects, there are 33.9 million people benefiting from the improved service in the urban areas, 5,000 urban infrastructure assets established or improved, 37 urban service providers with improved performance. So there is a source, you can go and check it out. So Ecorys to support urban development in Agartala, India. So Ecorys has been awarded with the Agartala City Urban Development Project in India. This project is funded by the Asian Development Bank and aims to provide technical assistance, capacity building and training intervention to give urban stakeholders. The objective is to enhance a city infrastructure and improve residents' quality of life. The project focuses on enhancing the city's infrastructure and improving the quality of life for its residents. Ecorys, in collaboration with the Tractable Engineers India, will play a crucial role in delivering several components. That components institutional capacity building and training, develop and implement capacity building and training program for urban stakeholders, technical support to organizations, etc. Community awareness in public health, livelihood enhancement, that prioritizes livelihood enhancement training for the local community, supporting economic growth and sustainable development. So project management method. Project management involves the application of various methods and tools to plan, execute, monitor and close projects successfully. So here are some commonly used project management method and the tools. So first one is the waterfall methodology, a linear and sequential approach where each phase must be completed before the next begins. Then come the agile methodology, an interactive, iterative and flexible approach that prioritizes adaptability and customer feedback. Then the Scrum, an agile framework that organizes work into time boxes, iteration and that call sprints. Kanban, a visual method for managing workflow often used in agile environment. So we'll be using the Kanban methodology in this project. So we have to choose the appropriate method and tools depend on the nature of project, team preferences and organizational requirement. Successful project management often involves a combination of method and tools tailored to specific project needs. So let's see project management tools. What are the software they are available in the market? The example is Microsoft Project, Jira, Trello and Asana. So I'm comfortable with Trello, so I'll be explaining some features in Trello. The purpose is to planning, scheduling, collaboration and the task management. So this is the dashboard of the Trello. So Trello is a popular project management tool known for its simplicity and flexibility. Here are some key features of Trello: that board, leads and cards. Boards represent projects or initiatives. Leads basically organize tasks or stages within a project. Cards represent the individual tasks or item. It's a drag and drop interface. That means it's easily recording and prioritize the tasks using the simple drag and drop interface. Collaboration and communications. You can collaborate with your team members easily, real-time collaboration with the team members. Commenting and attachment on a cards. You can write comments on if the project is going or how it's going on. Customizable boards. You can customize your board as per your need. So in conclusion, the Asian Development Bank remains steadfast in its commitment to shaping a brighter future for the Asia Pacific region. So thank you for your attention, and I look forward to continued collaboration and progress with Ecorys India Pvt Ltd. Thank you, sir.